It's been unusually freezing cold the past 2 days over eastern South Africa. Behind me, I've got a few measured, not minimum, maximum temperatures for the 30th of October. On Monday, Johannesburg only reached 7 degrees the afternoon, below 4 in parts of Mpumalanga and the Free State, and only 3 degrees at Van Riebeeck. It snowed on the day, and we've done some investigation. It's been declared the coldest day of the year thus far. We hope it stays that way. Even colder than the entire winter, or on the 10th of July when it snowed in Joburg and heavy snow fell in Mpumalanga. Now, I won't be surprised if a handful of lowest maximum temperatures records are broken for the month of October. I've got some good news. It's getting warm on Wednesday. So here's the forecast. A few foggy patches expected on Wednesday morning here within of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, with a band of cloud lying over northeastern South Africa, mainly morning showers likely, but most of the rain quickly clearing on Wednesday across South Africa. It's going to be a mainly sunny and much drier day for the central and eastern areas, with some foggy conditions moving over parts of the Overberg. We're expecting this easterly wind to blow fresh at times along the southern coastline and picking up here in Cape Town, with berg winds also heating up the west coast of South Africa. Light winds over the entire of the country. Mainly morning showers for the extreme northeastern areas and the Lowveld, as well as light rain in the morning for KwaZulu-Natal, but light rain still possible on and off throughout the day along the eastern escarpment, but a mainly dry day throughout your Wednesday. Moving to the Western Cape, where berg winds will quickly heat up the northern areas, where the mercury will soar close to 40 degrees the afternoon. Windy along the coast, with the southeaster later picking up in Cape Town, but it's hot the afternoon with 28 degrees. An easterly wind blow along the southern coastline, where temperatures will remain in the lower 20s, heating up to 30 degrees in Oudtshoorn as well as Graaff-Reinet, and upper 20s for the northern areas of the Eastern Cape. A few foggy patches at first in Kumani, as well as parts of Tata in the Eastern Cape, with a easterly wind blowing along the coast and maximum temperatures the afternoon reaching 20 degrees. Some cloud in the morning hanging around in KwaZulu-Natal, with only light rain possible, but most of the rainy conditions are clearing on Wednesday, where it's going to be a partly cloudy day with maximum temperatures now finally reaching 20 degrees. In Mpumalanga, it's also going to be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at first. Temperatures just below 20 degrees over the Highvelds, much warmer compared to Monday and Tuesday. Light rain possible on and off along the eastern escarpment. Some cloud around the morning with light showers over the extreme northeastern areas of Limpopo. Later, a partly cloudy day and temperatures finally reaching the mid-20s in parts of the Bushveld. Warmer conditions ahead for northwest after a 2 abnormally cold days over the province. Maximum temperatures now finally looking more like spring, reaching in the mid-20s. In the Northern Cape, berg winds heating up the coastal areas, where the mercury will soar close to 40 degrees along the coast and the Richtersveld, and a band of high-level cloud moving over the Northern Cape. Moving to the Free State, where it's going to be a cold start to the day with only 1 degrees in Vicksburg, fog at first in Harrismith, and 4 degrees in Bloemfontein, but a mainly sunny and much warmer afternoon. Temperatures also starting to look more like spring. In Gauteng, warmer with 20 degrees in Johannesburg, partly cloudy skies at 22 for Pretoria. Moving to Thursday, where we are expecting mainly sunny to partly cloudy skies and dry across South Africa. Temperatures are finally recovering in northwest in the Free State and mid-20s parts of Gauteng. Into Friday, we've got an upper level trough developing over the entire of the country, where we are expecting isolated storms to move over the Northern Cape and then in an eastwards direction over northwest the Free State and parts of the Eastern Cape. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.